Hello and welcome back, everyone. If you want to hide your followers list on your TikTok and you want to maintain that privacy settings on your TikTok, in today's video, we will be guiding you to the process. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the TikTok application first, and once you open up the TikTok app, you can go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and access your profile page right here, which should be available like this. Now, what you need to do is basically go ahead and access your menu icon, which should be available in the top right corner. So just go over and tap on it, and that will open up your settings and privacy. So you can select the settings and privacy option from the given options, and go over and open up your settings and privacy from the given options available. So what you need to do is basically go over and from here select the option of privacy, which is right in the second option. So tap on it and that should open up the privacy page on your screen, which should be available like this. Now, in order to go ahead and hide your followers, you can just go ahead and select the option of your following list. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding option to hide it. So you can go over and select the option to only you, the second option right here instead of followers. And what that will do is that will make your list of who you follow visible to only you. And that way your account will be hidden. You can also try making your account private. That will make your entire account private, and that is also available. But this is it, guys. You can follow up this process if you want to hide your following. Basically, so do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.